Hey everybody, Ray here. I want to share with you my secret for making great coffee when you're out camping. I found this pour over backpacking filter holder here. Just acts like a spring when you opened up. You place that on top of your cup, and then you get these little coffee filters. Now you're all set to make a single cup of good coffee. Because usually I use the instant packets, but frankly, they just don't do it for me because they don't taste very good. So you can bring whatever coffee you like from home. I have found that 2 scoops of coffee in this camping spoon is about the right amount for me. You can make it as strong as you want it. Once you've got your coffee in there, you just start to pour your water over. Now, admittedly, this isn't quite as fast as instant coffee, but I want to tell you the flavor is worth the wait. It doesn't take very long. Oh, that smells good. When it's done dripping, you just remove your little filter there, and there you go. Fresh brewed coffee on the trail. Kind of hot, but boy, is it good. Hope you liked this video. If you did, thumbs up for me. I'd appreciate it.